Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cops Court and Community. I'm Darnell Leeson. If this is your first time here, please make sure you hit the subscribe button. And once you do, put in the comment section below, I subscribed, and I will personally take the time to say thank you and welcome you to the community. So a while back, I did a video titled Driver's License Suspensions in New York Will End with This Bill, where I explained that New York lawmakers drafted a bill that would essentially end driver's license suspensions in New York for unpaid fines. Now, as I promised, I would bring you the update when it finally happens, and that day is here. So finally, New York Governor Andrew Cuomo finally signed the bill allowing this to happen. Now, under the new Driver's License Suspension Reform Act, drivers will no longer have their licenses suspended if they have unpaid traffic tickets. But instead, they will be offered repayment plans that equals 2% of their income or $25, whichever one is greater. Now, the act will also reinstate the licenses of those who have had their licenses suspended in the past for non-payment of those tickets. Now, while parts of the law will go into effect February 2021, full implementation will take approximately 180 days, meaning that someone who's been impacted with their licenses being suspended will have their license reinstated sometime June of 2021. Now, as I stated in the other video, from 2016 to 2018, New York suspended the licenses of nearly 1.7 million drivers, of which most of those were from heavily targeted poor communities and really communities of color. Now, this is according to a Driven by Justice Coalition report. Now, these suspensions often stem from multi-ticket stops where drivers can rack up thousands of dollars in fines from a single car stop. Now, what does that mean? You get stopped for a headlight out, and now the vehicle isn't inspected, you have tinted windows, you fail to produce your license, and you don't have your insurance card. That's 5 different summonses. So that's how these fines tend to rack up. Just because you got stopped for one thing, now you got 5 summonses, and depending on the jurisdiction where you're at, each of those minimum fines could be $138. So you do the math. Well, that's all I have on this new law. I hope that it will help, a lot of you get back on the road legally so that you can move around your community and handle your business for you and your family legally. So leave me some comments below and tell me if this new law will help you, and if you're currently suspended. How long have you been suspended and for what? Now, if you guys have any questions that you would like answered, then please also leave those in the comment section below, or look for me on social media and you can ask those questions there. And finally, all of you, be like-minded, be sympathetic, love one another, be compassionate and humble. 1 Peter 3:8. Be safe out there, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.